Absolutely not.
Holy shit.
Your Highness, Yukito, how many times do I have to tell you? It's Toya. I know, I'm sorry, sir. Toya, there's nothing to forgive. Now where's Sakura? I sent her to the Dimensional Witch. And the brat? I sent Sharon to it. And there's no point in grabbing that. Besides, you both